Hi, this is Dr. Derek Mahony. I'd like to tell you about an exciting new program that we've put together at EODO. This is called the treatment of the overclosed vertical dimension. So as general dentists, as orthodontists, as pediatric dentists, we're faced with the problem where a patient comes in with a 100% overbite. Lower incisors may be causing trauma to the palate. And in the past, we would normally intrude the upper incisors because the mechanics allow that. What we now realize, by intruding upper incisors, we tend to reduce the amount of tooth display. So the patient may have straight teeth and a good bite, but aesthetically they don't look as young and as youthful as they did before the treatment. So I'm going to share with you the mechanics we use to do lower incisor intrusion and to do a better smile arc. So that's one thing you'll learn. Then I want to talk to you about the use of bite turbos behind the upper incisor teeth. And also in the class 2 cases that are overclosed, which cases do you need to reposition the mandible versus which cases do you just move teeth? So this topic will be all-encompassing. We'll be discussing in primary dentition, what we call planus buildups. We'll be talking about mixed dentition, and of course the most common, which is adult dentition. And in adult dentition, I'll go through mechanics using clear aligners as well as using conventional straight wire. So please reserve the dates, 19th and 20th of September. We have a number of great speakers. We have the 3 other doctors that work with me, all talking about different aspects of this care, and I'm linking in the whole program, looking at many cases. So if you have struggled in the past treating a deep bite to ideal interincisal angle and you want some clinical tips on how to achieve that, this is the course for you. This is not a course for beginners. So if you've done 1 or 2 cases and that's it, this would be more for you to take when you've done more treatment. But at this stage, if you're doing a number of cases, either in clear aligner therapy or in fixed braces, please come and we can chat more. If social distancing doesn't allow this to be a live course, we'll be doing it via Zoom, and you're still able to ask questions during the lecture. We find that format is working very well because of the border controls we currently have in Australia. So Derek Mahony signing off. Thanks for your attention. Look forward to seeing you at this course.